Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 50 moving average on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5. Then click on this icon here at the top. Now click on the F plus and click on moving average. It's under trend. Now we have here period. Make sure you change it to 50, okay? And we have here method, choose simple. And we have here styles. We have 4 pixels here. You can change it to whatever you want. This is for the thickness of the moving average line, okay? So for me, I will always keep it on 4 pixels. And this is for the color of the moving average. So let's choose, for example, this one and click on save. Let's go back. And as you can see, this is our 50 moving average. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.